cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Barb's Favorite Foods. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a salted caramel. This is actually going to be a two-part video. In the first part, I'm going to show you how to make the caramel, and in the second part, it's going to be a chocolate mold, which is actually what the caramel will go inside. This salted caramel, however, is really versatile. It can be used for so many different things, so many different types of desserts. It's a great way to amp up a store-bought dessert, whether it be a cheesecake or an ice cream. I got this recipe from Sally's Baking Addiction blog. It's super easy and only has 4 ingredients. I love caramel. I have a huge sweet tooth. Whoever decided to add salted caramel was genius. It is such a great way to help round out the flavor for a really sweet item. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have all your ingredients ready to go. When you first add your sugar, it's going to feel like a lot of sitting and waiting. But then everything comes together towards the end really quickly, so you're going to want to be prepared. Once you add in the sugar, like I said, nothing happens for a while. Keep your eye on it and keep stirring. You'll notice that it gets quite clumpy, almost like miniature rocks or wet sand. Once most of the lumps are out, you're going to add the butter and start whisking. It's going to foam up, but just keep on going and have the faith that it's going to come together. Whisk, 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 whisk. Once the butter's all been incorporated, you're going to pour in the whipping cream. And can you guess what's next? That's right. Back to whisking. Whisk a little bit more until it's fully incorporated. You're going to take it off the heat at this point. Add your salt and you're done. So here's the final caramel recipe. It's really hot right now, so definitely not able to use it for anything at this point. I probably am going to put it in the fridge so it can actually firm up really nicely. You'll see for the second video that I make, it will be for the chocolate molds that I spoke about earlier. But really, this recipe is so versatile. It can be used for so many different things, whether it be you putting this caramel on a cheesecake or as part of ice cream. It's so versatile. Let me know what things you'd be using this caramel for. If you want to see more of my favorite videos, be sure to subscribe and to click on the bell so you'll be notified when I have new videos coming up. Thanks for stopping by and see you next time.